Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be showing you a few tips on how to fix your File Explorer on Windows 11 if it continually crashes or freezes. Now the first thing I'd recommend you do is go over to the search menu and type Settings, then go into Settings. Now once in Settings, I'd recommend going to the display area, and here you're going to want to verify if your scale and layout area is all under the recommended settings. It should be under recommended because this can also interfere with a bunch of things on your computer. So for me it's 125% as recommended and 1920 by 1080. And you should just verify that yours are also on the recommended setting for your computer. Every computer is different. Then from there, it would be smart to go down and check Windows Update on the bottom left here. Click that and verify that your computer is completely up to date. For instance, if it's not fully up to date, that could be one of the reasons as to why things aren't working correctly. So you'd click Check for Updates, like so, and just verify that your computer is fully up to date before continuing with the rest of the troubleshooting that we're going to offer. In the case that you do have an update, I'd recommend going through the update and seeing if that helps. If that doesn't, what we can do is close this out, and next we're going to go to Task Manager. In Task Manager, once opened up, let it just open up fully, you're going to want to find Windows Explorer under Processes. Let's find it. Keep scrolling down until you reach what would be, I believe, Windows Processes, which is a separate section, and you'll be able to see here Windows Explorer. On Windows Explorer, you're going to want to right-click and click Restart. You can close that down and then test to see if that solved your issue. If that was unsuccessful, the next thing you can do is go down to the search menu again and type CMD to find Command Prompt. Now for this you'd want to right click and run as administrator to perform this next action. I'm just going to use it normally since I'm recording. And what you're going to want to do is right click and put in this command called SFC /scan now, written exactly as such, or you can just type it in yourself as well, and then press enter. Upon pressing enter, it's going to run a scan just to verify that everything on your computer is running correctly and there's no corruption or corrupted files that are basically causing the issue with your File Explorer. Once the scan is complete, if it's still unsuccessful and you're still having issues, the next thing you can do is exit out, and you're going to want to go to the search bar again, and you're going to want to type in Control Panel. We're going to go to the Control Panel section. Let's open this up big. You're going to want to make sure it's on large icons, and then we're going to go into the File Explorer options. You'll click that. Once this opens up, what I'd recommend doing is in the Open File Explorer 2 section, you're going to go and right click that and set it to this PC. You'll want to click Apply and OK. And then afterwards, we're going to go back into the File Explorer options section, and we're going to clear the cache. By simply clicking it, that'll clear the cache. Let it go for maybe 2-3 seconds. You can even double click it just to verify, because there isn't any prompt that's going to say whether or not it was cleared, but it is clearing the cache. You'll press OK, and then you can close out and go and try and see if that worked out for you. If at this point that still hasn't fixed the issue for you, the last tip we can do is go into search and type PowerShell, and in PowerShell you're going to want to right click and run as administrator. Once again, I'm just going to be doing it normally. And once in here, you're going to run the command like so: repair-windows image --online --restore health. Exactly written as such. You'll click enter and it'll do a similar scan as the last thing that we did. And after that, it'll likely fix your issues, and hopefully at that point you'd be able to open your File Explorer without crashing or freezing. Hopefully this helped you guys out. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.